Today we are going to prepare a unique dessert. A dessert that is part of our tradition. Amor Polenta is a dessert that makes you dream. Shall we begin? I'll start whipping the eggs with the sugar, I pour the yolks, add the vanilla seeds, the lemon zest, I add the salt, the almond and butter mix, the whipped mass is ready. I'll add the yeast to the ground almonds, the yellow flour, the white flour. I sift them on a sheet of paper. Pour them into the whipped mass. Mix it with a Marisa spatula. At the end, I add the butter. I take the traditional mold for the polenta cake, butter greased and floured, and I pour the mix. The amor polenta is cooked. As you see, the color is regular. It is a typical cake of the Lombardy tradition. A light sprinkle of icing sugar, like a light snowfall, and the cake is complete. The name involves more or less all of us. Amor polenta, I love polenta. It is a dessert that is soft inside, very moist, very fragrant. It is a dessert for everyone. Here is my amor polenta, a special dessert for every occasion. See you next time.